Hey guys, this is Ronnie with Great Choice Audio Video, and today we did this changeover from a 65-inch TV with a Sonos soundbar to a Sonos Arc and a 83-inch Sony Master Series TV. So as you see right here, we're actually taking the old equipment down and remove the TV to put into another room. And then here we're bringing in the new Sony Bravia XR Master Series TV. Remove the old bracket to go with our larger extra large bracket. And as you can see, our little white sound bar sitting there. And putting the arms on the back of the TV so we can hang it on that plate that we will mount here in just a few seconds. And just because we thought the TV might hit these little lights on the side, so we went ahead and removed the shroud out of the way just in case. And then proceeded to take our measurements. So as you see us lifting up this 83-inch TV, it is pretty heavy, so we had all three of us there to just make sure we lifted it up and didn't drop it or anything. And make sure our sconce thing's gonna fit back over there without hitting the TV. And the arc fits under there without hitting the TV as well. Looks like it slides in very perfect. So as you can see, we got the TV up, the sound bars in there, we got the sconces back on the lights, and we're going through the setup of the TV. This particular TV is an OLED, so it really has really good black levels. And we have our SONOS Arc on the HDMI 3, which is our enhanced ARC channel. And we're gonna set up our cable box, and then see it's detecting to try to use the remote control. And now that the remote has been paired, we can skip through all of this and tell it what's our sources: Roku, cable box, and Sonos Arc. And remember, always register your TV. It may help you later with returning it or any other issues you may have. Now that setup is complete, we can show you the final picture and how everything's supposed to look. Choice day. Have a great choice day. Remember to like and subscribe.